Jai Gurudev. Hello everyone. It is my pleasure and honor to introduce myself as principal of Maharishi Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary English Medium Public School, Kordwar. I am extremely proud and excited to join this great school community and to support our students and their families. My name is Ravinder Singh Gusai from Dehradun and you can call me Gusai sir. I am newly appointed principal of Maharishi Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary English Medium Public School, Kordwar. As an educator, I have spent 19 years as classroom teacher. I worked as a teacher, as a coordinator, as HOD, as assistant principal, as an administrator. I have looked after CBSE related works of school. I have also overlooked all offline and online exams of school and of government and private companies held in my school campus. I have also conducted CBSE board examination as Deputy Center Superintendent and also as Center Superintendent. Teaching and learning are the core activities of a school. We should make good use of every minute of invaluable instruction time on enhancing students' learning. I always support teachers on their professional development and teaching. Great teachers are the most important ingredients to the success of our school. And in Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Senior Secondary English Medium Public School, we have some of the great, dedicated and hard-working teachers. I do believe that schooling is for students. If you have great teachers in our classroom, then we do not have to worry as much about the students. I always set students' benefits to be the first priority. It will be my action that will communicate my commitment to you, to the students of Maharishi Vidya Mandir and to this community. The school will focus on promoting a high level of learning culture. Resources will be allocated to furnish an inviting place and environment for learning. School policies will be refined to streamline the academic and co-curricular activities. You may expect changes in the future, which I believe to be the source of momentum for improvement. To all the teachers, I want to say, I believe that we as educators are role model of integrity. We are held at a higher standard by our communities, by our students and by our colleagues. As action speaks louder than words, we have to ask ourselves, what are my actions communicating to those around me? What are my actions communicating to those around me? If I refuse to enforce the rules of the school in my classroom and outside my classroom, if it's online class, then what does that say of my attitude towards the rules of the school? If I close my door to the concern of my students or my colleagues, what does that say regarding how much I value these people and their concerns? If I refuse to contact parents when a student is failing or is absent from school, what am I saying about the importance of partnership that exists between the parents and the school? I strive to be a role model of integrity and ask the same of you. When we falter, we must learn to begin again. For there are truly no failures, only those who give up too soon. My greatest strength as an administrator for the last 8 years has been my skill at conflict resolution. The key to conflict resolution is taking the time to truly listen to the concern of other people. Therefore, my phone line is open, my door is open, and I promise to find the time to sit with you, with parents, with students, with school board members, and with community leaders to hear the concerns. I cannot always afford you the luxury of having your way, but I hope you will always find that I value your time and, more important, that I value you. I am more excited today at the prospect of coming to Maharishi Vidya Mandir to serve as the next principal than I have ever been in my educational career. My only promise is that I will work hard every day and allow my action to tell the story of who I am and of my commitment to this school. I will make mistakes and work hard to correct those mistakes, and we will see successes and join in the celebration of those successes. I am here to make every effort to help your child reach his or her full potential. I vow to give my all to our students, and I will request the same effort from our staff and school community. Together we will continue to move Maharishi Vidya Mandir students through a rich learning environment guided with love and support towards a bright future. Thank you, and we will meet again online and or offline. To my students, I want to say that I will be joining you in your online classes, and I'll be interacting with you and with your parents too. Thank you once again. Jai Hind. Jai Gurudev.